ye camp de ye ni Agyap fi said ya ekoso no eye niema bi a ye nim say National Council any NEC so omu go by the constitution of NPP the asumdue any enkoso ebeba party ni mo na se uko constitution of the NPP mo me no ya na me believe say bibia ye wo wiase bia no e wo se ma emra eda ho na emra de hini wo mu enti na friend the rule of law.
That's right.
Nobody is above the law. And I yet NPP so no ye de mra eneti and the party no ye creature of law ye de mra eneti and NPP so e won the constitution ya ye nim se constitution bia so e sui generis just e de no ho what you say eni kwa se ye tietia so na se wo kwa constitution ni mu a article 13 make the reason why ye wadwin bi say e wo say ye to no ha anase ni kwa say ye to no ha no ye de ye gina mra so e na ye dey make your decisions.
Okay.
So we call article 13 9 and 10 of the NPP constitution e kase e wa hametimi ready ba ma menka ni twi e kase se nipa no pese omokoto aba ye to aba wo mo so no be presidential candidate and say o ha say election of the presidential candidate article 13 se nipa no pese omokoto franka no se omo buru edua anase se bi omo buru 5 omo buru 5 what you say omo buru 5 e wo say ye to wo mo so aba na ye pruni na ye teso ema ne be duru enum ne yeto omo so aba enti ukwa constitution na akire time e wo say ye trigger sa ade we wo say ebru numu a enti constitution is very specific time wo say yes ade no
okay
and ade no so wo say ye no constitution atodin wo say ye fe no special electoral college. One can say super delegates or say special electoral. What two ni dini? The constitution is very specific. Constitution or casa law very specific. Or bodini or mutrimupo into share west no the spirit behind the word.
Special electoral college.
Special electoral what two ni dini?
Okay.
Or two ni dini we no and the constitution as I can say. And Crawford was say almost to abandon a friend the composition. Of one more to abado so no wa listing nyina wo ni nyina wo constitution mo bi obefa bia be hu wa bowedi emedi wa che group way and was so mo to aba e was special electoral college you know wa boni di wa kire nkrofo was so mo to owie no osan ye very specific se mo ko to aba na ye to no kukuam special ballot I mean secret ballot Montu no kuku nyese bia wo koto aba no pagya say eh meto ma Mr. K ana meto ma Mr. A no untimi nyesa constitution na kire owie no ka say mo koto aba wo special electoral college so no obi ato aba ba kope very specific so on dem dia dey kon very specific nanso adia constitution no anka ya ye friend constitutional silence. It's a doctrine of constitutional silence. Ni say wan kire baby a yankoto aba no.
Has it not created a lacuna?
It's a lacuna and I'm going to explain it. What you say? Constitution omo here NPP constitution but omo trimu abobe omo nimnia omo ye ade pese be ye no time omo betimi ye sa ade we and say and a free 2007 time our president Kofo His Excellency Ofia nipa 17 ne hu say no say na dia ye ne yenye fa kwa bi so a ye be pruni ade no and omo ye sa amendment no na ye sa ade we omo ye ne ya to akora ni din akora no ye se wode special electoral college mu ba be participate no so ya list obia oho a choir mon façon to no special e mo nye ne secret ballot
then no man say
me ba na onim say omo ye ni nyina awie ye no ana omo sadi etrimu po oko 10 ho a etrimu po anti omo de say adwene say is to short list ade etrimu po no no say me can punin say yen tini pado so emrenum and in 2014 and at the first time
moto
saba no 2014
and no moto no way
ya no ye to no region omo decentralize no
okay
asante memo omo to omo de omo qualify so beto to omo de bono for to omo de say regional on regional basis
10 regions in to
ye to aba no and na dey 16 no 16 regions now at that time regional neck at the buy and say na ye opposition na you need enough resources nti mumien to no kakra na manage ni sa ne famra now this year I basse any part of bro 5 nti ya trigger what I say a kickstart electoral special electoral college you know abofra no wa unity nti ye was ye famra kwa so ne now in 2014 near opposition the question is your opposition ana
you are in power
very good
you are in power
your resource and say need resource
but do you think you have the resources?
We do have the resource now yes conditions as at that time yeah trigger as ade no yeah condition as at that time ni conditions say empo one more composition one more yesi abanu one to be MPs honorable wa ministers one card bearing members one wa e binum timi kogina platform so at the mic ekotua no compelling them which is against our constitution your freedom of conscience and freedom of expression now put you obi on the spot confess and look in law confession is all your confessional confess under duress article section 120
duress or undue influence
on confession 120 of evidence act you cannot compel anyone to confess the no confession no could be either you coerce undue influence
or duress
yes any panina opasi eto abaro man no or the platform so be now the mic I show obi anim ko busa the question and this type of behavior is against the spirit of the constitutional NPP constitutional okay with the faith of God where preamble with the faith and then say bibia make be now refer to the law why we are saying things with the faith in God. Now about oka no asabeka freedom of conscience. You can say freedom of conscience. Ja obi amani nyusu da dwene mentata obi. Why are you bringing a mic before me? Putting me on the spot? Okay. My life is at stake. So now, so
the issue is the conditions prevailing today.
It's not the same as the conditions at that
the
time.
way a manner certain key personalities in various regions.
Yes.
Do you think, sir, there will not be fairness or what?
That's where I'm going. There will not be fairness. There will not be equity. There will not be freeness. Intimidation. You fear. And the sanity there. Adentina yen point in say mumma yen shia o baby.
Any obi ahwe obi anim.
Obi ahwe na afena make up agent. Uncle Ashanti region. Afena it almost say what is already is muddy. The red strategy is the red ocean strategy. It's muddy. The competition is tough. And let's move into a blue ocean. Whereby obia ni pateni nyina obetena hobi wani kete aniwa esim Kofi Mensa with one ballot and you say bia ba ye MP4 diedi way 4 diedi no with one ballot eduru so a wakoto secret wakoto number bi ya kan manituamu Oh, it's all about peace. It's all about unity. If we are preaching, say a Pentecost party didn't come home after the election, all of us will converge. You support you who not the year about you so be can and from the beginning. From the beginning, I was a fair, I was a transparent.
A quick one now. Polling agents. Niadi. Muyi 5 no. Montono one place, Mubeto national.
And only part of those.
You will need polling agents in various constituencies.
You see, the competition is so tight.
A test run for you?
Nope. The constitution is so tight to say, who's a sabre, or be a person enter into the 5.
Okay.
Or be a person enter into the 5. It's
vigorous.
It's vigorous. I'm on for Tuesco. I'm on for 350,000 to submit their forms. And to be you be a free more. Master Canana be any kwasa baby. There should not be intimidation. Say party no, etimi organize 6,500 voters. I'm almost through all over the country. I'm almost converge.
Our greater.
I'm here to I'm here kind the same day, no transmission, man. I'm here kind the same day, Ebubo. I'm Obia John, Bodu, Etimi Soroko, Boko, Ejituma, because of Hobin at Tuabano, or who near see. And the kind of say
90 and over near Kitwa.
891. Now listen to this carefully. Oh, who say you see, you can, your side and say, Mama Yanina yen shame. Can Agyapong Mitihobi, Alan Martin Mitihobi, Dr. Maud Baumia, His Excellency, or Tihobi, Adenimu or Tihobi. Organize idea. Ya to abanawi. Aya busia ba ko ya to abanawi. Ya kan. Se me na me di ntwa ma sorry be ko. Afri let us go. Let us yanya yi. Na menua, ya na man focus it is our tradition. Time be be tradition. You unim why encounter A level why statistics. You cannot use one data point. 2014 is one data point to extrapolate,
okay,
or predict. So, and if you have tried decentralization, there, try
centralization also.
Near 2 points that are going into the future. No, you bet me say we
can compare and contrast.
Thank you very much. It has never been our tradition.